Creative just challenged me to draw a full house plan in 90 seconds. But no undo, no erase, and no mistake. If I lose, I have to admit she is the better drafter. The time starts now. Right now I will make my lace and then make all my walls. As always, making the lace is a piece of cake. Just like that. Using the multi-line, I will make my walls. This is okay, I can cross it, I won't use the undo. Finish it out of my walls. Now for the inside, I know it might look like I'm doing things wrong. This is the best way to not use the erase. Where are you, where are you, where are you, where are you? There you are. Make these little stairs. Now put my doors and windows. There should be no mistake. This thing is easy, what could possibly go wrong? Oh god. Now this changed everything. I still have furnitures to make. First let me make this island. Then for the bedrooms, using the blocks I purchased. Please save me some time. And then the toilet, everyone's favorite room. For the kitchen. And for my dining. Then the living room with its unnecessary sofas and chairs. It's only 11%. Only 3 minutes is the test. I don't know if I'm going to finish it. Oh my god, I have less than 15 seconds. Make one text, copy it to all the places, rename them to their room names. And I got this. Do you think I win? No, 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 no.